Once we get all the IP inside the network, we need to know which one is the gateway, which is the router, because most probably I'm going to need to intercept the traffic going to the router, which will be the traffic going to the internet. I don't want to intercept ping traffic or ARP traffic or any traffic that is useless for me. I need to intercept the traffic that is going to the internet, because this is the traffic that has credential or have some information. Now, how can I know which one is the router IP? Actually, it's quite easy. If you are not aware, you can check any machine, Windows machine, and check what is the gateway. Or in such case, you can open a terminal inside Linux and type IP root. An IP root will show you the gateway of this machine, which will be the same gateway for all the machines in the same network. So just by typing IP space root, which means show me the root of any IP, it will show you that the root is 192.168.142.2. This is the router IP. So I know that this is the router. So I'm going to click on this one, and then I'm going to click on add to target one. Then I can choose any other computer on the network, and I can choose add to target 2. Or I can keep it this way, and according to that, he will intercept all of them. Okay. Once I do that, I'm just going through the basics. Okay, so get to the basics, and then we're going to do a full attack, but just showing you around the menu and so on. Once I do that and identify the machine and which one will be the gateway, and assign gateway to target 1, second step will be going to empty man in the middle attack, this menu, and choose ARP poisoning, and choose the first one, which is sniffer remote connection, and we are set to go. Then start sniffing, and now he's sniffing any traffic from those computers going to the internet. It could be a username and password, it could be email, anything. But this is not the interesting part of the Ettercap, because actually many programs is doing that in a much easier way. And I suggest to check Kane Enable. It's an amazing Windows tool. But the things that exist in Ettercap, and very few programs are doing that, is changing in the traffic. Not just intercepting, but changing. How can we do that? So to be able to do that, we have a menu here called plugins. And when you go there and click on plugins or manage plugins, you will see all the plugins that can be modified to this traffic. So you will see, for instance, the DNS poisoning, which we're going to do in next lecture. DNS poisoning means intercept the traffic that resolve from name to IP and change it. And we're going to see an example of that, and I'm going to show you how dangerous that is. We can see SSL strip, which is another attack that allow you to intercept the encrypted traffic, because usually if you intercept an encrypted traffic, you'll be capturing traffic but unreadable. So what is the use of it? But if you use SSL strip, it will allow you to intercept encrypted traffic and read it. Okay, you can intercept regular traffic and change it. So it's from here that you are applying a plugin. This plugin will be applied on the traffic going between the two targets that you specify. So what we're going to do on the next lecture, we're going to repeat this attack, but I'm going to choose one specific traffic or one specific plugin, which is the DNS spoofing. And let's see how we can do a full attack using Ettercap, intercepting the traffic and change inside the traffic.